So guys, we are inside our sample project. To create a split wipe comparison video, at first we need to import the second video as overlay. Then go to transform, advanced, zoom 100%. Let's add some effects to our video. Now go to the point from where you want to start the comparison. Go to mask. Horizontal. Tap on this button to place a keyframe. Rotate the mask to 90 degree. Cover the full screen. Then the duration of the wipe animation, suppose around 5 seconds. Move the slider again. This will automatically place a keyframe and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.